The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Tesla, and before I begin, this is probably my most requested stock in the comment section below. So if you guys want to see a weekly analysis of Tesla, just drop it down in the comments down below. If I see a lot of requests for Tesla, maybe I'll move it to doing it every Monday or some day like that. But if I get a lot of requests, I can do that for you guys. But let's take a look at Tesla. Overall, I remember last time my previous Tesla video was back around here. Looks like, I believe it was December, early January. I was saying we were going to see a bounce up. We did go lower first, but eventually we saw a massive rally take place. And now looks like price action went sideways for about a month. So what is it going to do now? Well, I still think we're going to probably go higher. So this is uptrend channel right here. We just had the first break of it. So normally we're going to get a couple attempts higher. And also there was a breakout of this congestion level or range. So we had an uptrend, started ranging. We had a breakout on the bottom side, where most breakouts fail because it traps traders thinking we're going to go down in that direction. And also we had two perfect measure moves back. So this is the first leg back, and this is the second leg back. And we bounced right at that level. We had a breakout, and we're getting the two attempts higher, like I mentioned before. The reason we saw that consolidation is because we were at a very important key level, right around the $200 psychological level, and also this previous support / resistance at the 207 level. This was acting as support in the past. Now we broke down lower. Now we're finding resistance. However, prices are still waiting to be for that level to be confirmed if it's going to be support or resistance. So right now we're just chopping around near this level, but I see higher prices. I think since we had this consolidation at the top of the move up, two legs back, breakout on the bottom side of the range, and we're seeing follow through currently, looking like we're probably going to take out this high point right here. It's not guaranteed, but it looks like it can at the 218 level and possibly even higher. So that's what I'm seeing on the daily chart. Looks like higher prices are coming for Tesla, and like I did previously today on the SPY. So it does look like prices want to continue rallying higher. We'll have to wait and see, but as right now, that's what Tesla looks like it wants to do. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the macro structure and the reason for this bounce up and probably the continuation of this bounce up. The biggest factor was one of these measure moves were played out. You can see this, we had two massive legs down. So one massive leg down, this is the second massive leg down. And right at the tip of this arrow was a good bounce. That's what led to a massive move up. There was a breakout of this level right here at the 191, $200 level, like I mentioned before. So we had three big macro reasons why we should have seen the bounce and exactly what happened. So I'll put the channel on here. So we were in this downtrend channel working nicely down, and then all of a sudden prices broke outside of the channel on the bottom side right over here, and that's known as a capitulation or a climactic point, where the bulls pretty much give it all before giving up. So we had that occur. We had a breakout of a level, 190, $200 level. Price action likes to test levels before going in a direction multiple times, and then we had this large measure move down. So there were three macro reasons on the chart why price should have seen that bounce. We got the bounce up, and we saw a nice follow through. It looks like prices are staying above the EMA, which is showing signs of strength for this up move, so it looks pretty good. Since we saw a breakout on the bottom side, we can see a breakout on the top side, which will bring prices back over here. Maybe fill in this gap right here to retest this breakout, maybe the 260 level. So in the short term, on the daily chart, it looks bullish. On the weekly chart, macro structure is also looking bullish for Tesla. So I'll be looking for higher prices. We'll have to wait and see if it wants to play out like that. Nothing is guaranteed in the market, but what I'm seeing on the chart, it does look like prices want to continue to rally higher. So that's pretty much all I have for Tesla. Like I said before, if you guys want to see Tesla weekly updates, maybe on Monday, drop it down in the comments down below. If I see a massive amount of support for it, I think I can do that for you guys. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly chart. Daily chart looks like a short trap. I think we're going to see higher prices, and weekly chart looks like a macro structure temporary bottom took place, so we can see continuation to the upside too. So I'm looking for these higher price targets. I think 260, 270 is not out of the question for Tesla as right now. Now, what would make me change my mind is we see prices just drastically drop down below this 190 level. Let's say if we reach the 170 level, that's honestly a little too low for me to say we're going to go higher. I think we could probably still continue to drop down lower. But as right now, we're not there. It looks still bullish. So that's all I have for Tesla this week. And let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.